Hi Kasim, how are you? How are you feeling today?
I'm good. What about you, Vadu?
Actually, I cannot tell the truth because I'm a little bit sick, but I'm okay. I'm okay, thank you.
That's nice. That's nice. So get well soon, brother.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I was just thinking, like, it's been a very long. We didn't talk about like your lifestyle and how you come here, where you are living.
I'm living in JBR.
Mm-hmm.
I'm here almost 4 years. Came here with my family. Have a daughter and a wife.
That's great. That's great. You're living in one of the populous community in Dubai. And what do you think? Like JBR, Marina, like everybody in real estate, they talk about JBR, Marina. So what do you think? Like, is life there is good? What's the difference between a regular life in Dubai and the life in Marina?
Actually, I've been in Dubai a few times before I came here with my family, and I like Dubai Marina from the first sight. But what I would say, you need to choose carefully the location where you will stay, especially with your family, because Marina and Dubai Marina and JBR is well known of the clubs, parties, and so on and so forth. So where you can be disturbed even during the night. So you must be prepared for this if you are ready to wake up during the night from the sounds of party from the beach. Then it's okay. If you're not prepared, just my advice is rent an apartment for a few months, feel the vibes of Marina, JBR, and then move forward.
Mm-hmm. That means you're enjoying the vibes of Marina for 4 years, huh?
Yes, I have to.
That's good. That's good. But like I have seen, like most of the investors, they are asking about Marina and they're talking about the location, accessibility, JBR, GLT accessibility, and like that. So, do you recommend like investing in Marina is good? Obviously, the ROI is the best over in the whole of the Dubai. The ROI is best in Marina.
Definitely, I would suggest to every person who wants to touch this market of Dubai to start from Marina, Dubai Marina or JBR, because this is the most touristic place in Dubai, you can say, and the assets which you will have, they will be like you can touch them, because you can touch the assets, you can touch the capital. It will grow. It will grow. Even anything will happen. Your property, even commercial or residential, doesn't matter. It will grow in capital appreciation, and as you just said, the ROI is good comparing to other locations of Dubai.
Okay, like in count of fours, if I'm gonna say what are the more important points, like the four important points to invest in Dubai Marina. So what do you say? What are those?
Beach, number one. Easy accessibility to the beach. So almost, if you live almost in every building in Dubai Marina, you will reach to the beach maximum 15-20 minutes. It depends on the location. But yes, beach is number one. The vibes, you have everything you need for everyday life, like malls. If you have family, there's children's playgrounds almost in every corner. If we're talking about Dubai Marina Canal, there is Marina Promenade. Almost under every bridge, you can find the children's playground, which makes your life easier, especially if you have kids, of course. Also, it's Marina has the tram connection, which is very handy if you live there. So it means that if you live in the not, I can't say far location, but little bit far from the center of Dubai Marina, you can reach to the metro in 5 minutes by tram, or to the last to another part of Dubai Marina. Like if you're living in Princess Tower, for example, you can reach Blue Waters area like in 10 minutes or even less.
So what will be the fourth point, like in your opinion?
The fourth point, as I already said, it's
Occupancy?
occupancy together with the always growing ROI and capital appreciation, because there is no more free space to build a new building. So all the buildings will grow in the price. Doesn't matter if you want to resell it or just invest to make a long-term investment for get your ROI. But we are working together there in Dubai Marina JBR. So you know something already about this area. What your feelings about this area? Why do investors keep looking good units in Dubai Marina?
Yeah, like why investors choose Dubai Marina, in my opinion, like if I'm gonna say, the first important thing is the high demanding area in whole of the Dubai. Every tourist want to live on the marina, to have a view of the seawater, to have accessibility to the beach, to have the accessibility to the shopping malls. It's having the Marina Mall there. It's very good for the people, tourists to come over there. And the second important point why I always suggest Dubai Marina is it's like accessibility, the network of transport over there. It's obviously is the second best feature for that Dubai Marina. The third one is the occupancy. Like it's very famous with the short-term rentals, long-term rentals, and people like they do investment and get ROI on it and capital appreciation as well. The fourth important thing, like diversification of your investment. Like you can get a one-bedroom unit within 1 million even, and up to 4.2 million. So this is a diversification. Like those who are top-notch investors, they want to invest, they have the options there. Those who want to like start or as a first-time investor, or they want to do short-term rentals or management or like that, they have options as well. So these are the four important points from my end.
Yeah, and recently a lot of people who is looking for ROI, they're looking for properties suitable for holiday homes and R&B, which are going very good there.
Exactly.
And there's high demand.
But whenever like there is a choice of the unit, when the investor has to choose a unit, they must have to consider few important things, because if they don't consider those things, they may enter into a trouble. First thing is the age of the building is very important. Also the maintenance cost over there, like the unit is well maintained or not. The third important thing that I always consider is the view. So if the unit is on the front having the marina yacht view or the sea view or something amazing landmark over there, so it's obviously having a better opportunity to develop ROI comparison to the one who is on the backside, having the street view or the lower floor. So this is why like I will always recommend people, if they are the investors, they have to look in that way.
Exactly. Still, a lot of people, they sacrifice the views and some of accessibilities, sacrifice with the amenities. So what I mean, like if there is not such a great view on the sea or Marina Canal, but the building has nice amenities like huge gym, impressive swimming pool, and so on and so forth, and different children's amenities.
Yeah, exactly. Like the JBR, like there are 7, 8 buildings. They are having the community view itself as well.
Yes, and one of the biggest gym maybe in Dubai. Yes.
Yeah, exactly. And like people like in Dubai Marina, when like I'm having an investor myself, even I want to just share it with you. Like he was talking to me like he want to purchase a unit and want to do a quick flipping. What do you think about that? Like, is it a good option as an investor to do a quick flipping over there?
You can do this, yes. And I have clients who do this for several years. So they're hunting for a good, interesting and high potential properties there. And so after I found them appropriate property, they renovate, upgrade, put a new marble, new furniture, new techniques, and so on. And apparently they're reselling it for the bigger price. So then they can get real capital appreciation.
Exactly. But like I have always guided to my people, like instead of entering into a renovation or upgrading with more like prestigious furnished units, I recommend always the simpler one. The reason, like if they are putting the simpler one, it can be get rented easily because their ask for the rental is comparatively low. So that's why it will be never ever vacant. So like if you're investing so much or doing renovations or like that, not keeping it simple, I guess it's very like it's quite difficult, not very, because it's marina, it's quite difficult to rent it all, right?
That's what I'm telling to client, exactly. You need to be careful, and you need to have a good advice from your from the agent or broker you're working with, because some of the buildings that looks potentially good for your purposes from the first sight,
Exactly.
in a half a year when your upgrading works will be done, then the situation can be changed slightly, because still some of the there are some new construction is going on in Dubai Marina, and the demand on the building is moving from time to time. So if it was before, for some period it was Dubai Marina Gates Towers, now it's went to Vida Marina,
Exactly.
and so on. There are many examples. So you need to be careful, because the upgrade will take time, and you need to be careful calling this a quick flipping.
Exactly. Exactly. And what do you think? Like, what are the more demanding types of unit or the apartments in Dubai Marina? Like, it's 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, or a penthouse, or a townhouse? Like, whatsoever is the category.
By my experience, studio 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms are the most types with a high demand.
That's good.
This is what I can say. It depends on the season. So usually, tourist season, which is going on now, there's more demand for 1 and 2 bedroom apartments, as by my experience. But during the last period of the year, it depends. It depends, because the investors are keep on going to Dubai for the last 15 years, and the population grows. A lot of people see, and when they come through the Dubai Marina, they see and understand, as I told you, that they can see the flow of tourists, the flow of the people who buys property for flipping, for renting out, opening their holiday home companies. So, and how you would recommend to new investors coming to Dubai, like what is the due diligence, what the base, like how to start, what to look at, especially from our location, Dubai Marina, JBR. Also Blue Waters and beachfront, we also can call this a part of Dubai Marina.
Yeah, exactly. So, like the investors who want to do investment in Dubai, it's nowadays very easy comparatively than the previous days. The reason, like, Dubai DLD department has made it much more secure. And also, like, if I'm a small investor, I'm having like $200,000 in my pocket, I want to do an investment in Marina. Maybe my budget is quite low. So instead of just entering into a full cash payment, what I can do, I can get the mortgage being as an international investor. Or if I'm the resident of Dubai as well, I'm eligible to apply for the mortgage as well with the banks. Just there are something that's required to like fulfill the documentations and the proof of your business and the statements and like that from the banks. So with that, you are eligible to qualify as a investor as well. Like if someone with the cash, they are gonna come here, they want to invest onto something, you can get the properties at 1 million as a cash buyer. You can invest into the off-plan projects by paying the down payments and the payments into the installments. You can also get the mortgage from the banks. This is the very easiest way to invest your money into the real estate.
So what you can say about the rental yields?
Yeah, overall, like if we compare Marina with all of the other parts of Dubai, the neighborhoods, Marina is performing very well. The reason why it's performing very well is having the 95% occupancy overall. Also, like when we talk about the yields, we look into what sort of yield we are looking at as an investor or our customer is looking at. First is the capital appreciation. When we talk about the capital appreciation, we have to consider those projects, those units that are performing way much better in the market. And we also have to look into the number of the supply and the demand in the market. The second is the rental ROIs, the return on the investment. It's usually we're talking about the rental ROIs over there. The gross rental ROI is very good. It's near to 14%. But when we cut off the service charges and like that, it reduces to 8 to 9% as average. And this is authentic information by the Dubai Land Department itself.
It's exactly, yeah. Especially those people who bought, during the COVID times or even before. Now they have very impressive ROIs. Like if we speak about, Vida residents, people who bought their apartment for 1 or 2 bedroom apartment for 1.5 million dirham. Now they're selling it for more than 3.5 million, even 4 million.
Yeah,
and the
yeah.
ROI comes there.
Even I'm having a customer, the customer is offering 4.8 million, and I'm not able to get a unit for him. A higher floor,
Exactly.
a sea view in Vida Marina.
Exactly.
This is impressive.
So and also those people who acquired at that time, they are not going to sell because they see the speed, how the price growing, and they see how demand is growing for renting in that buildings. Because sometimes it's not, of course, it's not in the overall in general in Dubai marinas. There are only few buildings like Vida
Yeah.
Marina.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
even there you can get even more than 20% ROI. But those are the luckiest person who acquired
Exactly.
at that time.
They are the luckiest, and obviously they have predicted very well. So this is like, in my mind, what I will say, they are the rational thinkers, and they are also very conservative about their investments. So when you think before investing, definitely you are going to make something on it.
The price is growing, and they are pretty happy with that ROI that they're having now,
Exactly.
like 20 and more percent. But it's not in general Dubai Marina. It's just a few buildings, and as you said, in general, it's around 8-9%, maybe 10% growth.
Exactly. And also, like, I guess like Marina is always busy because it's having a very nearby commercial hubs to it. Like JLT is having a lot of commercial places over there. So people like, they want to walk there, they want to live on with the sea views, a relaxing environment. And most of the Europeans, Indians, and the tourists, expats, they like to live in Marina. So that's why it's always into the demanding area.
Yes, and by the way, we forget about the Al Maktoum area and how it's developing now, and we know that soon airport will come to that area, and so we know that how it's developing now. The people coming, they're looking at that location, anything villas,
Yeah.
townhouses, apartments, and it's also not too far from that area. So people are still interested in those locations.
If someone is living in Marina and have to travel to this DXB International Airport, they have to travel almost 25 minutes, 30 minutes, or like that.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So now, like, they're just only 15 to 20 minutes away from there
Yes.
to the new airport in Al Maktoum. So it's a very easy accessibility, and also like you are having the Jebel Ali there nearby. So the businessmen, traders, they live in Jebel, they do business there and live in Marina. So easy commuting between the free zones as well.
And Kasim, by the way, we forgot to mention the Blue Waters as is a part of Dubai Marina, of course. And it was planned when it was constructing, it was planned to be a super party island in the world. But the time showed that now is the most private and peaceful place in Dubai, almost the most peaceful place in Dubai, with a huge giant, we call this Ain Dubai.
And Dubai.
Yes, and it has its own beach, private beach, and a lot of shoppings and places, cafes where you can peacefully enjoy, just even if you don't live there, but you can reach this area, walk around with your family, cruise in your scooter, or just walk around and enjoy the vibes of this fantastic Blue Waters Island.
Yeah, exactly. Because Dubai Marina remains always one of the best opportunity for the investors. And Alain, and Dubai, the part of the Blue Water, is one of the landmark in that area.
Yes, yes.
So-
we can talk
Yeah,
talk a lot
I guess
about
we also need to develop another video to discussing about the Palm Jumeirah, Blue Waters, and Marina, like the comparison of the
and
prices.
the beachfront also.
Yeah, exactly. I missed that as well, and that will be really impressive for our people to listen about it.
I agree.
Yeah. If you want to buy smart and want to develop the assets in Dubai, so Dubai Marina is one of the best opportunity. And we will continue to discuss more and more about the other areas of Dubai. And also we want to develop another episode for you guys discussing Palm Jumeirah opportunities, JBR, Marina Masa, Blue Waters.
Imar
and I
Beachfront.
forgot, Imar Beachfront, obviously.
So thanks for watching us. Get in touch. Approach us. Approach Premium International. Approach Specialized, because we are Marina and surrounding area specialists. Thank you for this conversation.
Yeah, thank you
Thank
so
you for
much,
this
Modern.
conversation.
And thank you for watching us. Stay
See you
tuned.
next episode.